Alright guys, welcome back once again on my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. So in today's video, I'm gonna start sharing with you the best tips I know for becoming a professional financial trader. I'm gonna be giving you 10 tips and it's gonna be laid out 5 tips in this video and 5 tips in the next video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this already so you're not gonna be missed out in the next video. With that being said, the first tip I want to be giving you is which kind of trader you want to become. Okay, just take pen and paper and write down your first thoughts in regards to which kind of trader you want to become. Are you willing to use technical analysis for your trading? Are you willing to use fundamental analysis? Do you want to be a news trader? I mean, based upon your personality, there's no right or wrong answer in regards to which kind of trader you want to be. Just write down your first thoughts. You can always change on the way if you then eventually don't like the style you decided at the beginning. Okay, but for becoming a professional trader, you have to have an idea. Okay, trading is a business as any other businesses out there. If you want to become a lawyer, if you want to become a doctor, whatever it might be, there is a specific course of actions you have to take in order to achieve your final goal. Okay, so if you want to become a professional financial trader, you need to ask yourself which kind of trader I want to be. Do I like, fundamentals? So I'm going to be using fundamentals for my trading. Do I like being a technical trader? Do I like to stare at the screens all day long? So I'm going to be trading intraday. I do prefer being, a more relaxed trader. So I'm going to be a swing trader. I want to, let's say, stay in a trade for multiple days, or I do prefer close all of my position at the end of the day. Okay, so based upon your personality and let's say your gut feeling, you can have an idea about which kind of a trader you can be moving forward. This is tip number 1. Tip number 2. How much money am I willing to use in my trading account? Okay. Now, with that being said, the financial industry, any industry, but especially the financial industry, is full of sharks. Okay, people that are only interested. The only interest they have is take your money from you. They don't care about you. They don't care about your background, who you are, if you have a family. They don't care. Okay, the only thing they want is your money. So now the requirement, the entry barriers for the financial industry, for becoming a trader, are, I would say, in existence. Okay, there is no regulation by all means. So as long as you have, $100 to open your bank account and you are 18 years old, well, fine, you can open your bank account, your trading account, and trading the financial market, regardless your background, if you have experience, if you haven't, say, done or not this already. So make sure to not confuse the industry requirements with your requirements. Do you want to use trading as a side hustle, or do you want to use trading as your main source of income? So based on what you want to achieve with your trading, then you need to decide how much money are you willing to use and are you willing to lose in your trading account. Because if you want to, let's say, trade, and also, just do a step back, depends also on the market you want to trade. Okay, because if you're interested to trade future, okay, probably you need much more than $5,000 on your account or £5,000 on your account. It doesn't matter the broker requirement, it matters which kind of markets you want to trade in the future. So this is tip number 2. Know how much money are you willing to use and to lose for your trading, for making the experience the same, becoming a professional financial trader. And this brings us to tip number 3. Which asset classes do I want to trade? Based upon your bank account, the balance of your bank account or your trading account, then you can decide to trade some market or another. So if you have, for example, $1,000 on your bank account or your trading account, then there is probably no way that you can trade the future market. Even if you're interested to trade future because of the high leverage or whatever it might be, you need to be aware of the fact that $1,000, even if you can open an account and trade the future with $1,000, this is again the broker requirement, not the real requirement that you need. Okay, so based upon the amount of money are you willing to trade, then you are going to decide which kind of market you're going to trade. Do you want to be a stock trader? Do you want to be a forex trader or CFD trader? Do you want to be a future trader, a commodities trader, an option trader? There are many ways to skin a cat, so to speak, for lack of better words. So based upon the amount of money you have and you're willing to use on your bank account or your trading account, then there are many markets you can trade. So now the tip number 3 is which kind of asset classes do I want to trade? Okay? And this brings us to tip number 4, which is how do I want to be involved in the market? Again, here, there are many ways, 1,000 ways to skin the cat. So do I want to be let's say, a technical trader? Do I want to be a fundamental trader? How do I plan to get involved in the market? Are you the kind of person that loves to, let's say, analyze the market fundamentals, the market drivers in the long run? So let's say, I want to be a fundamental trader or more a technical trader? Or do you prefer combine the two, as, for example, I am personally doing? I combine both technical and fundamentals in order to understand how the market moves in the way it moves, okay? Or do I want to be, I don't know, a news trader, okay? You're just waiting the news that comes out on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, and you're ready to take position, you're willing to take position in the market based upon this fundamental micro or micro driver, if you like. So how do I want to be, let's say, how do I want to get involved in the market? This is the next question you should ask yourself. And this brings us to the last tip for this video, which is tip number 5. Based upon the kind of trader I want to be, which kind of broker do I need to use? Okay, there are many brokers out there, and all of them have pros and cons. Based upon the kind of trader you want to be, then you need to decide which kind of broker you want to use moving forward. If you are a long-term trader, let's say that use fundamentals as an entry reason or an exit reason in the market, then you might not need the fastest execution ever, okay? Because you are willing, for example, to have a zero commission, but have an execution once a day, for example. Or you want to be an intraday trader that trades fundamentals, micro driver on a daily basis, or a technical day trader, and then you need speed in execution, if that makes sense to you. So based upon tip number 4, which kind of trader I want to be, then tip number 5 is which kind of broker do I need to use? There are brokers that allow you to have, let's say, zero commission, but the execution is nowhere near other broker, or brokers that charge you higher fees but give you an instant execution. So based upon the kind of trader you want to be, then the next step for you is decide which kind of broker you are going to use. All right? So these are the first 5 tips I just gave you. Make sure to rewatch the video if you need to. Write down all these kind of answers. Make sure to write down all these kind of questions and make sure to answer to all of them. And in the next video, I'm gonna be giving you the next 5 tips you can use in order for you to become a consistently profitable financial trader. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this already, and thanks for watching until the end. This is Fabio Mezzogori, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I put a lot of valuable information here on YouTube that help you to move the needle towards financial freedom or financial independence. So if you'd like me to notify you every time a new video is up, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you will not miss any new episode. And also, don't forget to smash that like button for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.